jack of all trades at that time. Those days, we saw about 2 years. How long was it? 3? Yeah, like 3. Oh, come on, you know by the day. I can tell you. Stays with me for a while. Keep up the good work.
This time is love happens every day. Oh! La-di-da-di, la-di-da-di, bang, bang. La-di-da-di, la-di-da-di, bang, bang. Oh! 1, 2, 3,
None of it would be possible without you, because serving this country is a family business. Today, as we display what we can do, once a Marine, always a Marine. But that commitment doesn't mean what some of you think it does. It doesn't mean the oath isn't paperwork. It isn't a formality. It's a covenant. And the one who truly defines what that title stands for, I think of nothing more than my personal hero, Sergeant Matthew Abad. They gave their tomorrows so that we could have our todays, and because of that, we owe them everything. We owe them the discipline to keep our honor clean. We owe them the humility.
And I think they did too. And it makes me proud being a JD dancer who started out, I guess he was an E4, right? Yeah.
Never forget that. We also conducted countless operations with Anglico.
We will always remain is the Marine.
The worst enemy.
enemy than a U.S. Marine.
For those people who wish evil upon
together and flipping his parachute upside down. This display of teamwork and precision requires the bottom two SEALs to hold the formation together with their legs while the top SEAL navigates them to the drop zone. When they reach about 800 feet, the pilot will release.
That's what we do. We don't know how to fail. Finally, thank you to our military families, whose strength, patience, and sacrifice make everything we do possible. You serve this nation alongside your Marines and sailors, and your support is the foundation of our readiness. For 250 years, our Corps has fought and won our nation's battles. Again, we don't know how to lose. We're Marines. Founded even before our formal independence as a country, we were created as an expeditionary force in readiness, always faithful to the nation we serve, and Chapultepec, and Iwo Jima, and Inahuac, and Kwajalein.
Endless goodbyes. They are the quiet strength of the Corps, and today we honor them too. To every Marine family here at Camp Pendleton and around the world, thank you. Your sacrifice makes this legacy possible.
When other parts of the department wanted to lower standards, the Marine Corps stood strong. That you had. Your vice president enlisted after high school in the Marine Corps and served in Iraq.
But also, of course, because if we don't pay our enlisted Marines, every bar in Southern California. Recently retired Master Sergeant Charles McKelvey. Chase, where you at, man? Love you. Oh, he's got a beard already. Marines do. For 2.5 centuries now, this beloved Corps has served as our nation. She pushed me to do it. A veteran of the Corps herself, we invaded Iraq. But what he did tell me is that enlisting in the Marines would teach me